So I went to the thrift store, like I do a lot of times, and I looked through and I found this candy dish. Beautiful for the holidays. Well, I came home and took my hairdryer, heated up that label, and slowly peeled it off. This way, you're not left with a residue. Now I took it outside, just think it can be hung, put my dots that you see me make for the hummingbirds. You can check out my videos and see how easy it is to make the dots. I'm telling you, within seconds, the hummingbirds came and said, "Wow, she bought us a new candy dish." Well, they didn't say that. They know they're dots. But is that not cute? With that ring in the middle, I could hang it, or I can sit it down like I did on my deck to feed the hummingbirds. There's a lot of things you can find at thrift stores, and there's a lot of ways to get those labels off. Is if you go to the thrift store and you find those labels are really stuck on there, use a hairdryer, warm it up on the hottest setting, gently, and keep working at it. As soon as you see it's going to release, because boy, when it's ready to release, it comes right off, and then you can get that label off nice and clean. You can do that with medicine jars and other labels on a lot of different jars. But I want you to know that there's a lot of great finds you can find at thrift stores. I mean, even behind the parrot head cup holder, I've got a dot in there that they feed out of as well. Though it seems like right now they're really excited about their new candy dish. So I'm going to do more thrift store walkabouts, and I'll see what I can do for the holidays and just for every day, because, well, I want to keep the hummingbirds happy. I know a lot of you don't have hummingbirds anymore, but don't worry, you still have hummingbirds. They just are vacationing for the winter. Wouldn't you vacation in a warmer place if you could? I most certainly would. So they're vacationing, they're doing what they're supposed to do, and come spring, you're going to have them all back. And if any of them are coming here to winter, like a lot of them do by the thousands, don't worry. They're going to get the best of care. They're going to be entertained, kept busy, and kept well fed. There'll still be fountains up even in the winter because they have to take baths during that time. And then come spring, I'll send them all back to you and they'll go home. So with that, have a wonderful day, and don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye. Oh, I love this dish. $3.50? Wow.